Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by installing Android Studio and a compatible JDK. This gives you the SDK manager and emulator. Once done, create a new project using a template to scaffold folders and manifest quickly, and choose Kotlin for modern APIs. Make sure to set a unique package name and sensible min SDK to balance reach versus features. Then, initialize Git immediately so you can track changes. Commit the initial template and configure Gradle settings to use Kotlin DSL for clearer builds. You now construct the app's core. Pick Compose for faster UI iteration or XML if needed. Wire navigation so screens communicate predictably. Next, implement MVVM, create view models, expose state via stateflow or live data, and put data logic in repositories that use Room and retrofit. Make async work with Kotlin coroutines, and inject dependencies with Hilt to simplify testing and lifecycle management. Finally, add unit and instrumentation tests early so you can refactor confidently. Run them often to You finalize by bumping version code and name, creating a signing key, and building a signed AAB for Play Console. Enable R8 to shrink and obfuscate release builds. Make sure to test on multiple real devices and Android versions, then configure analytics and crash reporting to monitor behavior post-release. Set up CI/CD to automate builds and rollouts and use staged releases to limit exposure. If a release build fails, check ProGuard rules and keep directives first. Those issues are the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.